Let's be honest for a second. Everywhere you look, everybody is going like passive income, digital products, earn money, passive income, yay! And everybody who's a beginner like me goes, "Wow, let's make a e-product, let's make a digital product and पैसों की बारिश होगी फिर तो with zero audience." So today I'm saving you time, money and effort, and most importantly, emotional damage. These are the digital products beginners should not start with. Let's get right into the video. Before everybody goes mad कि तूने बोला था digital product बना ले को, I'm not saying these products are bad. I'm just saying these are some products which are bad for beginners जिनके पास audience नहीं है. मतलब these thing works जिनके पास 3 million 4 million followers हैं on Instagram, but not somebody who has 16 followers like me. Number one, full courses. No, if you are a nobody, who's going to buy a full course from you? मतलब कोई अगर कोर्स तुम्हारा देख भी लेगा and they'll first click on it and check your Instagram followers, check your YouTube subscribers. Why would people buy it? Very basic as generic ebooks with basic info. Why? Tell me. मतलब something like how to make money and which is all copied from ChatGPT. Why would somebody waste their money on that? It if it's something very detailed and if you are a professional in that field and वैसा कुछ है then it's good. But otherwise, why will people invest money in that? Templates which you have never used yourself. Everybody, everywhere in Instagram, I see people telling me to sell Notion templates, but I don't even fucking know what is a Notion template. How can I sell it honestly? मतलब मैंने कभी खुद ही यूज नहीं किया है. कैसे मैं अगर मैं बना के बेच भी दूंगी तो भी आई वोंट नो ना कि इसका यूज क्या है एंड कैसे पीपल विल यूज इट, मेरी टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या है. इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज. Coaching products like one-on-one mentorship and कि I'll help you scale, a mentorship offer, one-on-one sessions. You are a nobody. Why would anybody want to one-on-one with you? Here are some alternatives which beginners should start with. ये सब छोड़ के जो मैंने अभी बताया आपको. You guys should start with small specific products. If you have knowledge about something very very nice, so go for that, uska ebook banao and market it that way. Think like checklists, mini guides and stuff like that, which is small but you know it is impactful and you have provided something in something which other people don't have. Stuff like instead of a generic ebook जिसमें बहुत कुछ है, just a small ebook, just a small ebook, even if it's 10 pages, which solves one particular problem. Simple thing sells better when you are new. The goal is not to look like an online guru, the goal is to make money. Start small, sell something useful, learn from real buyers. जो भी तुम niche choose किया है उसमें look at the person who's making good money या फिर who you think कि हाँ भाई ये तो अच्छा कर रहा है and copy their strategy. Because the best digital product is not a fancy one. It's a very simple one which solves your audience's problem or the consumer's problem, in which provide them solution. It saves their time. If this saved you from wasting time, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram and keep following my digital journey. I will see you in the next one.